Welcome back. How to improve your kicks? This is for beginners. How to make your kicks unpredictable? This is for people who are already doing it, right? तो आपकी किक्स बेहतर हो जाएंगी अगर अच्छी नहीं है. अगर ऑलरेडी अच्छी है तो आपके ओपोनेंट को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि कौन सी की कार्य मतलब यू विल बी इनविंसिबल इन ऑलमोस्ट इनविजिबल है, मतलब समझ नहीं आएगा. और ये चीज को हम ड्रिल करने वाले हैं यूजिंग ए सिंपल ड्रिल, यूजिंग ए सिंपल स्टोरी. ओके, इससे हम करेंगे. आओ. So as I just said, the first part of this video is going to be improving your kicks. We are going to start with 3 basic kicks: front kick, side kick, and the roundhouse kick. Okay, so let us see. My your front kick first. All martial arts are having this kick. Very simple. Keep a stool over here. You have to lift your knee. You have to lift your knee and then kick and come back. Okay, so in fast motion, ऐसा दिखेगा ये ऐसा. इससे क्या होगा, आपको फील आएगी कैसे आपको घुटना उठाना है और उसी तरीके से वापस कैसे लाना है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इफ योर किक इज नॉट सक्सेसफुल, if you are watching these MMA matches, they will catch your kick and they will take you down, and to avoid that, kick and as fast as possible pull back. According to me, pulling back your kick is more important than kicking itself. Okay, the second kick is going to be the side kick, yokogiri. In this one, we need you to stand in the sideways kind of action. Okay, just step forward, lift your knee, side kick, pull back, and come back. Okay, yes. Sorry. Okay, it can be done sideways or it can be done in this stance, like your traditional martial arts stance. And pulling back is very important. See, even I am facing difficulty. Yes, use your hips to pull it back. And number 3 is a round kick. In this Mawashigiri, most of the time what beginners make the mistake is they will kick like this. The kick looks like this. Now the only problem is the foot is going from here and you are not rotating enough. Okay, the rotation you have to keep in mind, and foot going in a diagonal way, this will take care of that. The foot you are planning to kick should be in line, इसके एकदम पीछे होना चाहिए. और इसके बाद हम ऐसा किक करेंगे, पहला घुटना उठाया और इसको क्लियर करते हुए किक एंड कम बैक. Or it can be a traditional karate kind of kick. See, the motive is that it doesn't go in a diagonal like this. You clear it and then do it. You might have seen these old footages of old matches, Kyokushin kind of matches. They are very good with their kicks. Okay, they'll penetrate their kicks and उनका पैर ऐसे ओपोनेंट के गार्ड के अंदर से ऐसे इधर उधर अपने हिसाब से जहाँ जगह मिली वहाँ पे वो लात मार देते हैं. समझ रहे हो? उसके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपका पैर लूज हो और आपका घुटना ऊपर हो. So practice like this. If you have a punching bag, this is second variation of that. Keep it over here. Okay, so that is all for the beginner level kicks. Okay, if your kicks are not good, इसको करते रहिए करते रहिए करते रहिए करते रहिए. और अगर आपको फाइटिंग में किक्स अप्लाई करनी है तो it is not always like this is my opponent. This is my opponent. The Mawashigiri is not always very comfortable. You can take it like this and do like this and you can be ready. This is a luxury if you get the chance like this in a fighting. In a fight, the person is not a non-living thing. It's a person, right? You will move around. You will not get the chance to do the traditional. Okay, that only happens in your dreamland. Otherwise, you'll have to see where the points is, or you'll have to adjust accordingly and then you kick. Okay, so for that a technique is there. It is called as chambering your foot. It is very important. आप अपने पैर को ऐसे इस पोजीशन में अगर ला के रखते हैं तो आपके ओपोनेंट को पता नहीं चलेगा कौन सी किक आने वाली है. सी, usually if you do a front kick, it is like this. Usually if you do a round kick, it's like this. Usually if you do a hook kick, it is like this, right? You understand what I'm saying? The body moves in different kinds of styles before these different kicks. आपको क्या करना है, एक ही तरीके से बॉडी को मूव कराना है. Use the stool. Practice all kicks from this position. All kicks. Everything that can be done. See? A front kick, a round kick, a hook kick, and a side kick. Better if you have a punching bag. Just keep it over here. For the front kick, you start from this position. Front. See? For the side kick also, we start from the same position. For the round kick also, we start from the same position. For the hook kick also, we start from the same position. Okay, if you are into fighting, you will understand what I am saying. I am not trying to telegraph the moment. आपको बताना नहीं है कि आ जाओ मैं ये वाली किक करने वाला हूँ. नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना. आपको क्या करना है, पैर को एक कॉमन पोजीशन में लाना है. सारी किक्स ऐसे ही शुरू हो रही है, तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सी किक आ रही? जब तक पता चलेगा वो किक आधा रास्ता कवर कर चुकी है, बिकॉज आधा रास्ता इज आवर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. अंडरस्टैंड? आई एम नॉट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर. आई एम स्टार्टिंग टू डिसाइड विच किक टू डू फ्रॉम हियर. It can be a front kick, can be a front kick, can be this, can be this. Understand? See? Did you expect the foot will go like this? Opponent does not expect. तो इस तरीके की सारी किक्स आपको यहीं से करनी है. Try that. This is the common position. So that's all for today. Practice the basic kicks stool लगाकर. और अगर आपको फाइटिंग में थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करना है तो try making the first half of all your kicks look the same. सारी किक्स का फर्स्ट हाफ एक जैसा लगना चाहिए, तो पता नहीं चलेगा, है कि नहीं? इस बारे में मतलब आप क्या सोचते हो कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे को बता दीजिएगा. ओके. हाँ, पावर के लिए आपको कभी कभी ऐसी किक करनी पड़ती है, लेकिन ये लग्जरी आपको फाइटिंग में मिलेगी, बंदा हट जाएगा. ओके. तो कमेंट्स में आपको क्या लगता है इस टेक्निक के बारे में बताइए मेरे को. और इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन भी दबा देना प्लीज.
Almost forgot. Karate TV online classes are already started. If you want to join the Karate TV online classes, link is in description. If you want to join Karate TV Club, it's a closed community. The link is in description for Karate TV Club, and also contribute to our Namo Shakti self-defense classes.